Hello, dear students. Today we are going to do some MCQs for our class 9th geography. That is chapter 5 of natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay. So the first question will be question number 1. To which one of the following types of vegetation does rubber belong to? रबर कौन से टाइप की वेजिटेशन है? टंड्रा, tidal, Himalayan, tropical evergreen. So your correct answer is being given here, bicha. That is tropical evergreen. 8th D वाला, ठीक है? चलो. Next is cinchona. Cinchona trees are found in the areas of rainfall more than 100 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 70 centimeter, less than 50 centimeter. So the correct answer is A. That is 100 centimeter. Next is, which one of the following state is the simple bioreserve located? A. Punjab, B. Delhi, C. Odisha, D. West Bengal. So your correct answer is being given here, bacha. That is Odisha. Okay. Next is, which one of the following bioreserve of India is not included in the World Network of Bioreserve? A. Manas, B. Nilgiri, C. Gulf of Mannar, D. Nanda Devi. So the correct answer is Manas. Now I have to explain this. A bioreserve is a unique and representative ecosystem of terrestrial and coastal areas that are internationally recognized within the framework of UNESCO Man and Biosphere Program. There are biosphere reserves in India, 15 biosphere reserves, okay? Out of these, 4 biospheres have been included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserves. These 4 biosphere reserves are Sundarbans in West Bengal, B. Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, 3. Gulf of Mannar and in Tamil Nadu, that is Nilgiris in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. ये कुछ आपको 4 बायोस्फीयर दिए गए बच्चे, आप इनका नाम याद रखिएगा, इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके नेक्स्ट इज the yak, shaggy horned, wild ox, and the Tibetan antelope are found in which of the following regions? A. Tibet, B. Uttarakhand, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Ladakh. So here is the correct answer, that is Ladakh. Ladakh's freezing high altitude are a home to yak. The shaggy horned wild ox weighing around 1 ton. The Tibetan antelope, the Baharal, blue sheep, wild sheep, and the kyang. Kyang is a kind of animal like donkey, you know. Okay. The sixth one is, which term is used to denote animal species of a particular region or period? A. Fauna, B. Fern, C. Flora, and D, that is none of these. The correct answer is fauna. Fauna means it's a term given to denote the animal species of a particular region or a country, you know. So here is the explanation. The term flora is used to denote plants of a particular region or period. Similarly, the species of animals are referred to as fauna. Flora को कहते हैं फ्लोरा को ऐसे समझिए आप कि जैसे प्लांट्स को, फोना मीन्स एनिमल्स को. ओके चलो नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 is given to you. Which term is used for virgin vegetation which have come from outside India are termed as exotic plants? A. Indigenous plants, endemic species, exotic plant, none of these. So here is the correct answer, that is exotic plants. The virgin vegetation which are purely Indian are known as endemic are indigenous species, but those which have come from outside India are termed as exotic plants. The H is which term is used for the original plant cover of an area which has grown naturally. A. Garden. B. Agriculture. C. Virgin vegetation. D. Indigenous species. Okay. Ninth one is students. There are 19 MCQs that have been given to you. So ninth one is which is not included in the group of non-flowering plants. A. Orchids. B. Algae. C. Fungi. None of this. So your correct answer is being given to you, that is A. Orchids. Orchids are not included in the group of non-flowering plants. Cultivated crops and fruits, orchards. Okay? Form part of vegetation but not natural vegetation. Fine. 10th one is how do forests influences the climate of a place? Modify local climate, control wind force and temperature, causes rainfall, all of this. Correct answer is being given to you, that is forest. All of these is the correct answer, okay? Because forest influence the climate of a place, it controls wind force, temperature and causes rainfall also. It provides humus to the soil, shelter to the wildlife, okay? Next is being given to you, students. Which type of vegetation zone is found in the higher reaches of the Himalayas? Tropical, alpine, temperature, or none of these? So the correct answer being given to you, that is alpine. Alpine is a type of vegetation zones are found in the higher reaches of Himalayas with mean annual average temperature below 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's move to next one. 12th. Which type of vegetation grows in the sandy soil of the desert? A. Coniferous. B. Grasslands. C. Cactus and thorny bushes. D. None of this. So the correct answer will be given to you, that is cactus and thorny bushes. Explanation being given to you. The sandy soils of the desert support cactus and thorny bushes, while wet marshy deltaic soils support mangroves and deltic vegetation. The character and extent of vegetation are mainly determined by which of the climatic factors, that is A. Temperature, B. Humidity, precipitation, all of this. The correct answer is all of this. Because the character and extent of vegetation are mainly determined by nature, by its temperature, humidity, precipitation. Precipitation here means which are the rainfall, okay? Extent of vegetation is mainly determined by temperature along with humidity in the air, precipitation and soil. Okay, so let's move to next one. Which type of vegetation usually develops on undulating and rough terrains? E. Mangroves. B. Grasslands and woodlands. C. Cactus and thorny bush. And last one is none of this. Okay. So here's your correct answer, students. That is the B1. Grasslands and woodlands. Okay. The undulating, and rough terrains are areas where grasslands and woodlands develop and give shelter to a variety of wildlife. Okay. Which one of the following species is found in Tibet area? Yak, shaggy thorn wild dogs, Tibetan antelope, all of this. Here's your answer, students. All of this. So, the dark freezing high altitude are a home to yak, the shaggy horned wild dogs, waiting around 1 to okay. The Tibetan antelope, the Baharal, blue sheep, wild sheep, and the Kiang. 16th one is ebony, mahogany, rosewoods. Trees are grown in which type of forest? Coniferous, tropical rainforest, tropical thorny forest, and the none of these. Correct answer is being given to you, that is tropical rainforest. The commercially important trees of the tropical rainforest are ebony, mahogany, rosewoods, rubber, and Cinchona. Okay, next one is given to you students. Which is the southern slopes in Himalayan region covered with thick vegetation? A. On account of more exposure to sunlight, on account of more precipitation, on account of less exposure to control to colder winds. All of this. So the correct answer is all of this. The southern slopes in Himalayan region covered with thick vegetation as compared to northern slopes of same hills on account of more exposure to sunlight, more precipitation and less exposure of cold winds. Fine. So here only two questions left towards you. Which one of the following state of India has the least percentage of its area under forest cover? A is Bihar, B is Punjab, C is Madras, D is Sikkim. So here is the correct answer, that is Punjab. Punjab has the least percentage of its area under forest cover, यानी कि forest बहुत कम है. According to India's State of Forest Report 2011, the forest cover in India is 21.05%. ठीक है, percent. Okay, here's the last question given to you. Due to which reason the vegetation of most of the areas has been modified or replaced or degraded? A. Change of climate, human occupancy, and soil erosion. None of this. So here is your correct answer, students. Here is so correct answer is being given to you, that is human occupancy. In the hilly region of central India and the Murist Valley, मरुस्थल कहते हैं ना उसको, रेगिस्तान को कहते हैं मरुस्थल, जब डेजर्ट वगैरह होते हैं. The vegetation of most of areas has been modified at some places or replaced or degraded by human occupancy. Okay students, so this was your last question, and now I would like to say that please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please like the button, and please click on the button, and please comment if you have any kind of question or any kind of doubt, and please let me know and please let me tell how do you like my method of teaching. Okay, bye bye everyone.